पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीं अष्टादशाध्यायिनीं अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भगवद्वेषिणीं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः।
Hearing Duryodhana talking incongruously to Dronacharya, to please him, Guru Bhishma Pitamaha blows the horn. And actually, theoretically, it is the beginning of the battle. So now, after the commander-in-chief Bhishma blew the horn, all the rest of his army also started blowing their corresponding martial instruments. Now what did the Pandavas do with that? So Madhavaha, Pandavaha, Chaiva, Divya, Shankha, Dharmati. Lord Krishna and Arjuna blew their conches. Now Vyasa gives in detail the names of the conches blown by each of them.
पांचजन्यं ऋषिकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दद्मौ महाशङ्खम् भीमकर्मा भृकोदरः
ऋषिकेशः पांचजन्यम्. Rishikesha, Lord Krishna blew the conch called Panchajanya. Rishikayaha Isha, the one who is the master of Rishika. Rishika can also mean the spirit, one who has got mastery over the spirit. Or Indriyanam Isha, Rishika can mean Indriya. So one who is the master over the master of the Indriya senses. Rishikesha, Panchajanya. His conch was called Panchajanya. They had the distinctive flag, also the conches. Panchajanya actually, Lord Krishna had recovered from a demon called Panchajana. The story goes like this. Lord Krishna had undergone schooling for 64 days. He had gone to Acharya Skula for 64 days. In 64 days, he mastered all the Vedas, everything. Guru was Sandipani. Guru was Sandipani. He understood that this is not an ordinary boy as such who can't do it. So there was a tragedy in the life of Sandipani. Sandipani had lost his only son, who had gone to the ocean to take bath, and he got drowned in there. That sorrow was there, but somehow he could forget that sorrow, seeing the Krishna and his all accomplishments. And the day of departure has come. So Guru Dakshina has to be given. So he said, Guru, what is wrong? What is the problem with you? You seem to be very melancholy. So by that time, Guru has understood what his life is. Krishna, you know everything. But because you are asking me, this is what has happened. Is it so? I am saying. He went. He went and threatened the saga. He said, well, I am not anything. You ask Yama. So Yama. He went to the Yamaloka. Where is Sandipani? Stop, give me. So what can I do? I am not proud. Panchajana Brahman has followed you. Panchajana Brahman has followed him. Where is Panchajana? He is the ocean. He is the ocean. So no, it is not that good. First he came to know from Yama, that is there. So then he plunged into the ocean and got hold of Panchajana and tore asunder his stomach. All that he got over was only conch. That was Panchajanya. So born of Panchajana, Panchajanya conch. Of course, afterwards from Yamaraja, he gets him and brings him as a Guru Dakshina. So Panchajana, Rishikesh. Devadattam Dhananjaya, Arjuna, used a conch called Devadatta. He is called Dhananjaya. The next one is the conqueror of wealth because of his prowess. Bhima Karma Vrukotara Mahashankham Paundram Dadmam Vrukotara, Bhima Karma. That Bhima here means terrific. The one whose acts are terrific. Because he doesn't believe in much arrows, etc. Mountains, trees, and like Hanumanji. So he is a big thing, Bhima Karma. A person of terrific deed. A person of terrific is Bhima Karma. Vrukotara. Vruka means a fox. One whose stomach is like a fox. Generally, picture of Bhima is drawn in the with big belly. Wrong it is. Bhima doesn't have big belly. Bhima has got a belly which touches the back. You know, have you seen the fox in this thing? Very slim, very slim. Why? Fox has got acute hunger. It has got sharp hunger. So like that, Bhima has the one who has got sharp hunger, not that he was very fat with a big belly and all that. It's all somebody's imagination. It is not that way. Bhima Karma, the one who terrific, one is a terrific deed. Again, there are many wrong notions about Bhima. Bhima is considered as a very rude person. No, he is a very loving person. Among all the Pandavas, he is a loving person. Krishna knew this. Brothers and Draupadi have got wrong notion about who? Bhima. So once they were in Madhavasara, so Krishna went there. Noon time, lunch time. And he sat little away in their sight, but not near the kutia. Now Krishna has come, how they can take the food without serving him as such. So Bhima, Dharmaraja, went with all humility, Bhagavan, please come, it is time for lunch, let us have lunch. No, go, I am not coming. I must come in the refused. Arjuna went, Krishna refused. Nakula went, refused. Sahadeva went, refused. Bhima was not there. He had gone interior in the jungle. Draupadi went, aha, acha, your husband have come and now you are coming. Go, I am better. Now what to do? Why he is not coming? He is not well at all. At the same time, they can't take the food. Meanwhile, Bhima came. Bhima said, I am very hungry, serve me. Look, this is our life. Without Krishna, how can I eat at that? You first serve, then you are not served, but he is not coming. But you first serve, I will see whether he comes or not. I will see whether he comes or not. You first serve me, without serving, how are you calling him? So, Krishna comes or not. Acha, where are you? All this time, the other. Look, that will be still afterwards. First you come for lunch. If you don't come for lunch, he whirled his mace, Gada, and threw up high in the sky and stood right in front of them. If you don't come, the mace is going to kill it. Hare Baba, they are not coming. That is Bhima. Bhima. He seems to be rude but so loving. So Bhima Dharma Udodara. So that's what Mahashankar. So he called the big Purusha. There was this called powder. Then Ananta Vijayo Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthira.
Ananta Vijayam Raja Kunti Putro Yudhishthira Nakula Sahadevasya Dughoshamani Pushpakau
Kunti Putra Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira. One who never from the battle and so mighty and powerful. Who is that Kunti Putra? Son of Kunti, born of great Dharma. Raja. So he is the actual Raja. Though Duryodhana has usurped the kingdom. Ananta Vijayam. So the one on the name called Ananta Vijaya, he is blue. And what about Nakula Sahadeva? Nakula Sahadevasya Sughosha Manipushpakau Sutasva Pradhanmatuhu. So Nakula and Sahadeva are respectively blew the horn Sughosha and Manipushpaka. Again, different kings. I think on Pandava side blew their own parties with the king.
Kasyasya Parameshvasaha Shikandi cha Maharataha Dushtajumno Viratasya Satyakishta Parajitaha
The other things are Parameshvasaha Kasyaha. Kasyaha is Kashipati, the king of Kashi. He is really Parameshvasaha. Ishvasa means Dhanush, one who wields a big bow. So he is, so they also say all these do their parties. Shikhandi cha Maharataha. Maharata Shikhandi. Drishtadyumna. Dyumna means Bala. So the one who has got immense strength. Drishtadyumna. Virataha. Virat Raja. Satyaki. That's Krishna's relative. And who is Aparaditaha. Not defeated by anyone. Because Satyaki is equal to Arjuna. He is Arjuna's disciple, but his progress is equal to Arjuna. Satyakisya Aparaditaha. They do their continue.
Gopato Draupadi Yasya
Drupada, King Drupada, Draupadeyascha, 5 sons of Draupadi, Sarvashaha. Sarvashaha means on all sides and all warriors. That means they blew up all sides and all warriors blew their houses. Sarvashaha, O Prithvi Pati, O King Dhritarashtra. So all these from all sides, all these, and they blew. Saubhadrascha Mahabahu, Subhadra's son, who is Abhimanyu, Mahabahu, mighty and valorous. So what did all these do? So, Prithak Prithak Shankhan Dadmu. So, they blew their houses separately. Now, what was the reaction on Kaurava's side? Kauravas blew the coin, there was no reaction on the side of the Pandavas. But Kauravas, having heard this, what happened? Continuing. Ghoshaha, that sound of the conch is blown by all on Pandava's side. Dhartarashtanam hridayani yadaraya. So they tormented, cut asunder the hearts of all the people on the Dhritarashtra side. Means they were frightened by hearing that sound. And what did that sound do? Nabhasya prithivim chaiva tumulaha ganunadaya. Tumulaha, that sound which was noisy and fierce. Tumulaha, noisy or fierce. That sound. Ganunadaya. So reverberating, echoing from the Nabha and Prithvi, from the sky and the earth, means it reverberated in the sky, echoed from all parts of the earth. This is what happened. Now let us see what Arjuna does. Because hope of entire Mahabharata war winning is centered on who? Arjuna. In fact, at one time, Dharmaraja got annoyed. He said, you told me today you are going to kill Karna and you have not yet killed. Why don't you throw your Gandhi? Because that day, Dharmaraja was very badly injured and he was taken back to the tent. News goes to Arjuna. He said, Mr. Krishna, let us see what is the condition of Raja. And he was fighting with, he was to kill that day Karna. So he went. Dharmaraja was very happy. He thought Arjuna has come to report that he has killed the Karna. He said, not yet. He was already in agony. He got annoyed by this. So afterwards, he goes and kills Karna. That is different. So that means everything was centered on Arjuna. So let us say, what did Arjuna do? Let us After all is on the Pandava side do the common and he frightened the Kauravas. Kapidvaja is Arjuna. On one whose flag mark Kapi, who is there, Hanuman is there. You know this, he is there by contract. So of course Lord Krishna wanted him possibly. So then he was there by contract there. Contract means what happened once it happened. We have seen this story many times. So Lord Krishna and Arjuna were going for a stroll. Suddenly Arjuna remembered about the Setu. I hope you know what is Setu. Rameshwaram, dear Rameshwaram Setu. He said, Krishna, I don't think Rama was such a great archer. If he were an archer, he would have constructed a bridge of arrows instead of Krishna understood. This fellow has become egoistic now, that there is no one equal to him. Arjuna, I don't know, but perhaps there were many hefty monkeys. Bridge of arrow may not have sustained them. Possibly that is why he must have constructed his thing. But anyway, one monkey is still there. Old monkey is there. So that is that. If you want to test his strength, let us test it. So what you do, you construct a bridge of arrows and let that monkey walk over there. If it bears the weight of that monkey, then you are really a great archer. So Hanuman was summoned. And Arjuna constructed a bridge of arrow within a strike. Krishna asked Hanuman to walk over it. He refused to step over it. He refused to step over it. Bamboo collapsed. He refused to step over it. No, Krishna said, no, it's not that way. Don't take it. Still he is persistent, but finally Krishna is requesting. So therefore, he just kept one foot and it collapsed. Arjuna, did I not tell you? Then Arjuna got humiliated and Hanuman got proud. This also is not good. So he said, no. Any attempt should be not one. More attempts must be made. Arjuna, once again you construct it. Once again to the same light. Then Krishna said, any attempt must be made twice. So, twice. So now third time is there. Now, Hanuman was very proud. So, he climbed, nothing happened. He started jumping, nothing happened. So he got humiliated. You know what he did? Krishna held the Sudarshan Chakra below the bridge. It could not be broken. So then Krishna said, do a thing. So Mahabharata war is going to happen. You be on the flag mark of Hanuman. Agreed. But all the time he was sleeping there also. Because that battlefield is inspiring because he was familiar with Rama Ravana Yuddha. So mountains, trees, and uprooting, etc. एक arrow hit the throat, other arrow. So it is when Bachcha or Buddha was fighting, he got inspired. You know what? When Buddha, Bhishma was fighting, he got inspired. When Bachcha, Abhimanyu was fighting, he got inspired. Otherwise, it was a boring for him. He was sleeping all the time. In the Kapidvaja. So the one who has got Hanuman as his flag mark. So, Kapidvaja means Arjuna. धार्तराष्ट्रान् व्यवस्थितान् धार्तराष्ट्रान् दृष्ट्वा. Drishtva, having seen Dhritarashtra, all the army fighting on Dhritarashtra's side, Duryodhana's side, Vyavasthitan, ready, standing marshal. So, ready or standing marshal is what it is to Dhanuhu, and at what time? Shastra Sampate Pravritti. 0 hour of the battle means the battle is on the verge of striking the weapon. When both sides the punches have been blown, means actually war has been declared now. So they only now starting now. Pravritti Shastra Sampate. When it comes the verge of the battle, when the weapons were to be struck, Pandavaha, again Pandu's son Arjuna, Dhanuhu Udyamya, having lifted his bow, what is a Tada at that time, O Mahipati, O Dhritarashtra, Tada Kapidhvajaha Pandavaha Rishikesham Idam Vakyam Aha. He told, he requested to whom? Rishikesh, Krishna. Arjuna requested. Actually, it was not a request, it was like a command. He was having heard the once blowing by the Kauravas, he was not furious, he was fury incarnate. So that's why he forgot whom he is talking to, and he commanded to Krishna. Continue.
Arjuna Uvacha Sena Yoga Madhye Yavadeetani viksheham Yotu kamanavastita Karimaya sahayotavyam Asmin Yotyamanaviksheham Yaetetra samagataha Dhritarashtrasya durbudhihi Yuddhe priyasikirshavah
This is what Arjuna said to Krishna. Achyuta, to Krishna, Ubhayoho senayoho madhye me ratam sthapaya. Please place my chariot where Ubhayoho senayoho madhye, between the two armies. That means in the place between the two armies, please place my chariot. Why? I want to see this. Asmin Ranasamudhyami, in this Mahabharata war, Maya Karimaya Sahayodhavyam. I want to see with whom I have to fight. And not that Arjuna didn't know who are on the Kauravas side, but first get this formation. He wanted to have the first hand information about the army gathered there on Kaurava side. Kairmaya Sajodhavya Asmin Ranasamudin, with whom we are required to fight. I would like to see. Again, I want to see each of them. So, Ye Ete Atra Samagataha Yotyamanan Avekitan Avekit. Ye Ete Atra Samagataha, those people who have gathered here. Why? Yotyamanan. See, earlier Yodhukama, those are desirous of fighting. Now Yotyamana, those who are on the verge of fighting. And why have they come here? Dhatarashtrasya durbuddhe yuddhe siyakirtana. Durbuddhe Dhatarashtra. Dhatarashtra is Duryodhana here. From now Dhritarashtra. Durbuddhi, evil buddhi, adharmic in nature. And these people want to please him. All these kings have come here to please Duryodhana, who is totally adharmic in nature, and those who are ready to fight them. So, I would like to see them. That is what Kairmaya Sajodhavya say, until I observe all these people who have come here to please Duryodhana. So, until that, please place my chariot in between the two armies. And Krishna, he said, Hari, yes sir. He said, he implicitly takes the chariot. Of course, he is playing the role of the chariot. Implicitly he takes the chariot between the two armies.
Sanjaya Uvacha Eva Mukto Rishikecha Purakeshena Bharata Senayor Madhye Savayitva Natottamam.
Evam Rishikecha, Lord Krishna, Evam Uttara, when asked by Arjuna like this, O Bharata, Bharata is addressed to Dhritarashtra, Bharata Kulotpana, by whom? Gudakeshena. Gudakesha, the one who is Arjuna, Gudakesha. Gudaka also means Kesha. Kesha means hair. Gudaka means small hair. He had a very close crop process. You know why? Archer, while shooting the arrows or when the arrows are coming, even if one hair comes in front of the eye, end of life. So it should be very, the tight hair. And they used to tie up. In olden days, like ladies used to have a long hair and tie up at the back. So that is Gudakeshena Bharata. Senayoho Ubhayoho Madhye Uttamam Ratam Sthaparitva. Having placed the best chariot between the two armies. This is what Krishna is telling to whom? Arjuna, in front of all the chief of the army from the Kaurava side.
Vishmadrona Pramukataha Sarvesham Chamahishita Uvacha Partha Pashyaitan Samavetan Purunati.
what did Krishna do? Bhishma Drona Pramukataha Sarvesham Cha Mahishita. In front of all these, Bhishma, Dronacharya and all the Mahishita kings, in front of all the kings. So Krishna said, Partha Vacha said. What did he say? Partha, O Arjuna, Pruthayaha Putraha, Partha Putti Putra, Etam Kurun Samavetan, Etam Samavetan Kurun Pasha. Please see all these Kurus, means Kauravas, gathered here to fight with you. What did Arjuna see? Let us see.
तत्रा पश्यस्थिता पार्थः पितृनत पितामहः आचार्यान् मातुलं भ्रातुम् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीं तथा शतरान् सुहृदश्चैव तेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत्
Tatra, in the Kaurava, this is what Partha Arjuna saw. He reacted seeing all this. Partha Arjuna, Tatra, Pitan, who was your Pitan? Pitru. Pitru is not father here, uncle. Because Pitru, uncle. Atha also. Pitamaha, grandfather, like Bhishma Pitamaha. Acharya, Dronacharya, Kripacharya. Matulam, Shalya, Chatka, Mama, maternal uncle. Bhratru, brother, Kaurava, brother. Putra, nephew. Both, because this is all both sides. Both sides. His own children and nephews, Pautra, grandchildren, Sakhi, friends, Ashwatthama, Jayadratha, where is their good friend, Sakhi, Katha, so also, Shvatura, father-in-law, Suvudashchaiva, Suvudva, Vendisha of that, Chaiva, Uvayoho, Senayoho, Pashyam, Apashyam. So, is both the army people. And having seen, he reacted. Tan Samiksha, having observed them very closely, Saha Kamitu Sarvam Bandhun Avastita. All relatives gathered in the both armies, having seen Samiksha, having closely observed. So what happened? He reacted. Paraya Kripaya Avishtaha. Avishtaha, overpowered by great compassion. Paraya Kripaya Avishtaha. Vishidan, sorrowfully, so that means with sorrow. Idam Abravi. Idam means Vishangaha Sam. Being sorrowful. Being sort of idam abravi. This is what he said. Who is this? Arjuna. Before Mahabharata, every movement was, his hand was itching to settle account with the Kaurava. But do you know what happened? Dhritarashtra had kept a built-in device in Arjuna. When Sanjaya was sent as a emissary, he said, tell Dharmaraja, look, your own people are there in the army. All Dhritarashtra wanted was, your own people are there in the army. Let Dhritarashtra call back the battle and Kauravas enjoy the kingdom. So your own people are there in the army. So now you say, my own people. My own people are there in the mine. My own people are there. Both sides there are only 5 people. So that is what, like a time bomb, it did trigger off at the right moment. So there is out of overpowered by compassion. He said, what did he say?
Arjuna Uvacha Krishnevam Swajanam Krishna Yudhustum Samupastitam.
So Krishna, O Krishna, Imam Yudhustum Swajanam Samupastitam Drishva. Drishva, having seen. Imam Swajanam, he marked that Swajanam, my people. Having seen these my people, some of Krishna gathered here, what for? To fight the battle. To fight the battle. What happens? This is what happens to me. What happens? Let us see.
Siddhanti mamarakrani Mukham cha parishushyati Devatusya sharire Rupaharshasya jayate
Mama gatrani siddhanti. My limbs are what? My limbs fail. Siddhanti. They fail. Decline. Mukham cha parishushati. My mouth is becoming dry. It has become parched. Me sharire roma harshasya me patusya jayate. In my body, there is roma vepatuhu. Vepatuhu means trembling. My body is trembling. Again, roma harsha, horripilation. My body is getting the horripilation. So, horripilation. Continue.
Kandivam samsrate hasta Tvachaiva paridayyate Nacha shakyo vyavasthatum Brahmadiva cha me manaha
Hastat Gandivam Samsate. Gandiva, the bowl is slipping off from my hand. What a warrior, like, after like Arjuna is not a major problem. So, therefore, the surgeon wants the surgery. Hand is shaking. What is that? So, says, Hasta Gandivam Samsate. Tvachaiva paridayyate. My skin is burning. Avasthatum na cha shaknomi. I am unable to stand. Me manaha brahmati iva. My mind is as though reeling. Chakkar aa rahi hai. So my mind is as though reeling. Not only that, further.
Nimittani cha pashyami. Viparitani keshava. Na cha shreyo pashyami. Hatva swajanamahave.
Keshava, O Arjuna, or to Krishna, viparitani nimittani cha pashyami. I am seeing viparitani. Viparitani means here amangalani, inauspicious omen, bad omen, I am seeing it. And ahave in the battle, swajanam hatva, second time swajanam, my people, having killed my people, shreyaha nacha anupashyami, I don't find anything good will accrue. I don't find any good will accrue. So what is that to say? I don't want anything. I don't want to kill these people who are my people only.
Nakamshe vijayam Krishna. Najarajam sukhani cha. Kinno rajam rajena govinda. Kimbo kaiti vitenava.
Now they say, look, you wanted to get back the kingdom. If you don't find what will happen, you say, I don't want the kingdom. Vijayam Krishna, O Krishna, Vijayam Nakamse, I don't aspire for the victory. Rajyam Sukhamika Nakamse, I don't desire the kingdom or the joy. Kim Govinda, O Krishna, Rajena Mahakim, what are we going to get out of this kingdom? I already killed our own people. Bhogita is Jivitena Vakim. What purpose will be served by killing our people, even if we have got plenty and prosperity? Now one may say, maybe you developed Vairagya. But what about your children, etc.? At least for their sake, you have to win the battle. That at one place there is a book, Gita Vahi, written by Satyajit Baba. He said, Krishna told Draupadi, not Draupadi, Arjuna. Had I known this earlier, I would have brought Draupadi. She would have fought the battle. She would have fought the battle. And you are so covered, I didn't know at all. So at least for children's sake, you have to win the battle. No.
Rajam bhoga sukhani cha. Tahini vastita yuddhe. Pranasyastva dhanani cha.
Well, you may say, at least for the sake of children, you have to win the battle. What is the guarantee they are going to survive? On the other side, who are there? Bhishma, Pitamaha, Dronacharya are there. Are they going to remain? for whose sake we aspire for this kingdom, they are here ready to sacrifice their life for in this battle. Yeshamate, for whose sake, Naha Rajyam Kramshitam, the kingdom was desired by us. Again, not only Rajyam, Bhoga Sukha Kramshitam, enjoyment, the joy was desired by us. Te ime, Tava is after Sambhi, te, they, ime, this, if they use they, avastita, they are here ready on the battlefront. How? Pranam Tyaktva Dhananicha. Having given up their lives, means ready to sacrifice their lives and dhana, the wealth. So that the purpose is not going to be served that they can enjoy the kingdom won by us. Who are they all? Those who are ready here, ready to fight here, giving up the life and wealth, etc. They are
Acharya Pitara Putraha Tadaiva Pitamaha Madhura Shashura Putraha Shala
Acharya, teachers, Pitara, uncles, Putra, children, nephews, Tathaeva, Pitamaha, grandfather, Mahaturaha, maternal uncles, Shashuraha, father-in-law, Sautraha, his grandchildren, Shalaha, brothers-in-law, again others, Tapantaka, so also other relatives. All these are there ready to sacrifice their life for whose sake we have to gain the kingdom. Now it says, look, you may be Ahinsavadi, but Duryodhana is not, so he will kill you. First, you are the target. You are going to be the first target of Kaurava. So they will do this. I would prefer that. Even if they kill us, I would prefer that. Continue.
Etam nahantu mishyami Knatopi madhusudana Apitrailokya rajyasya Heto kim nu manikrute
Madhusudana, O Krishna, were killed the demon called Madhu. See, Madhusudana is a great epithet for you. And if I kill this, I will get the bad name Bandhusudana. One who has killed the brother, Bandhusudana. In fact, Arjuna thinks this before the battle. Dharmaraja fought after the battle. Dharmaraja could not be consoled after the battle. I have killed my brother, and especially who? Karna. Especially the Karna. So I have killed who? Karna. So, but Arjuna could foresee this is going to happen. Says, Etam Ghantum Naichami. Arjuna, Krishna, I won't like to kill them, even though Ghadahati, even though I am killed by them, I won't like to kill them. Says, after all, by killing them and winning, all that I am going to get is what? This kingdom. Even if I am offered the kingdom of all the three lokas, I want to kill them. See? अति त्रैलोक्य राज्य हेतु एतान् हन्तुं न इच्छामि. Even if I am to get the kingdom of entire cosmos, I am not going to kill it. Kimuno mahi krute. What about, for the sake of mahi? Prithvi. So now, Arjuna becomes a big philosopher. He is thinking the consequences. He is thinking the consequences. नंबर है क्या? ठीक है ठीक है. We'll close it. Time is fine. We'll close it.